Lumajang may not be as well known as a tourist destination compared to Malang, Surabaya and Banyuwangi. In fact, Lumajang has a variety of interesting natural attractions, one of which is the Tumpak Sehu waterfall. Tumpak Sehu waterfall, also known as Coban Sewu, is about 120 meters high and is one of the most beautiful waterfalls on the island of Java. In addition, it is a unique topography where water flows like Niagara Falls on the border of the United States and Canada. The Tumpak Sehu Waterfall Natural Tourism Site is a waterfall tourist attraction which was opened around 2015. This waterfall tourist attraction is one of the highest waterfalls in Indonesia. It reaches a height of 120 meters and the flow of the waterfall is similar to the width of a curtain, a type of cascade waterfall. Such a flow pattern is caused by a large, multi-layered state of the waterfall. Viewed from a distance, this curtain-like flow of water closely resembles the pattern of the Niagara current. This waterfall has two entrances, namely through Lumajang and Malang because it is located between the two districts. This waterfall is located in the Glidi River basin whose water source comes from Mount Semeru. Then this waterfall is called Tumpak Sehu from the origin of its name because there are not only one or two waterfalls, but there are so many of them that the locals call it Sewu, which means 1000. The historical name of this waterfall is very similar to the historical name of Grojogan Sewu waterfall as Tawang Mangu. What makes this Tumpak Sehu waterfall more interesting to visit is to reach the center point of this waterfall is not easy. You have to go through a steep road, because you have to cross a valley as deep as 800 meters. Some of these pathways are shaped like stairs, others are regular footpaths. This road is slippery when it rains. So you have to be careful. When you reach the valley, you face another challenge which is to go through a shallow river until you finally reach a waterfall. Fill this romantic moment with fun chats with your partner. It's even more enjoyable if you eat snacks bought at the nearest Malang Memory Center. That's the beauty of the Niagara Falls, Indonesia.